My name is Vineet, and for my 15-112 term project, I created something called the PokerBots suite. The PokerBots suite is an ensemble of software that allows users to design, test, and visualize their own PokerBots, which are artificial intelligence machines that play poker. I've been interested in poker for a while, but haven't had much time to get into it, which is why I thought it would be a good topic for my 15-112 term project. Poker is a game of uncertainty, and requires a strong knowledge of probability, as well as the ability to read one's opponent. Artificial intelligence, as a field, has many techniques for addressing problems in games like this. MIT runs a course every year called PokerBots, which is basically where teams have 1 month to program a completely autonomous poker bot to compete against other teams. I myself wanted to write a bot, but in doing that, I found that there are a lot of user interface needs that the PokerBot engine has, so I added those kinds of techniques to my project. What I'm going to do now is explain how one of the bots that I wrote works. AF exploit, or aggression factor exploit, computes aggression factors for all of its opponents and then determines what their expected actions might be. This is important because it affects the expected value of any particular call or bet, because there's actually going to be more in the pot than one would normally think if a particular opponent would be very aggressive. AF exploit decides whether or not to raise based upon this implied expected value. Now I'm going to demonstrate how my PokerBots suite works. So first we have a welcome screen, and you just click anywhere to continue, and you can choose your bots. So I'll run EV Basic versus AF Exploit versus Random, and we're going to set a big blind of 2 and play 10 hands. And I'm going to just leave it on developer mode just so it looks fast. So we confirm with C, and we close it. It takes a couple seconds for the engine to run, but it'll show us some game footage after the 10 hands have been played. As you can see here, the bot is playing. It shows the whole cards right next to the player's name, and then the actions pop up when they happen. These cards are just updated as the engine goes along. And see up here, the board cards are updated when stuff goes on the board. Thank you for listening.